That would be why. Cause it's a boner. You recording me, ain't you? You recording me, ain't you? Fuck you. Babe, he ain't right. Mofo ain't right.
Why?
Well, fucking recording me.
Sounds like you got a mouthful.
Wouldn't you like to know?
No, not really.
Had a mouthful last night, too.
You're an asshole. Next thing I know, he'll be having that on there like you do with the one thing. Is she enjoying it or is she enjoying it?
This is what happens when you have a white girl that thinks she's black.
That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
It's funny.
It's wrong. Yeah, I never said I was.
You never said you were white?
I said one.
Yeah, that's not what she was going to say.
What I was going to say was, I never said I was a black girl.
Mm-hmm.
I like my food.
Not the way you eating that chicken.
What the fuck's that supposed to mean?
Oh.
Now I got Mr. Sound Effects. Right.
Oh, nom 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 nom.